Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Ari Wallet registration. You need to make sure you join their Discord before 48 hours. If not, you will not be able to do this once the registration starts. So we are going to look at Ari Wallet's latest update and how to join their Discord server or their Discord account. So if you're coming about this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So what we need to do right now here is the Ari Chain app. You only do your daily login. Now let's go and check their latest updates on their S account. Coming to the S account. So coming to the S account, this was the update they made 2 hours ago. They said before starting Ari account and wallet registration, we will be closing access to Discord. Did you hear that? Before starting Ari account and wallet registration, we'll be closing access to Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, please make sure to join within 48 hours. We will block access to AriChain Discord afterward. You heard that from the horse's mouth. They said before you start to register your Ari account and wallet registration, you must make sure that you join the Discord before they close it, and they gave you just 48 hours to join their Discord. So before then, let's look at Ari Wallet registration update. No, initially this is their update also for Mitchell Ari Chain. They said initially, that was 3 days ago, they said Ari Wallet update. The Ari Wallet and Discord registration is scheduled to take place in early November. We are currently reviewing the additional hand-keep winners from the event concluded by Ari, and the announcement is placed for next week. The point registration for Ari Wallet is scheduled to proceed without delay in early November. So you have to register your account and join their Discord with your username for you to be able to receive your Ari Wallet points. So on October 20th, they said here, the Ari Wallet registration update is scheduled for late October to early November. Now they said Ari Wallet, in your Ari Wallet, you need to submit your EVM wallet address and Discord username. So in Discord, you have to submit your Ari Wallet address and EVM wallet address. And this is what they are saying today, that you must make sure that you have joined their Discord. If not, they are going to close it. After 48 hours, you will not be able to join the Discord. So let's go to the Discord. So coming to the Discord, if you are following Ari Chain on Discord already, you are going to locate it here, You are going to see it here. These are the people you already follow. OG Project, I don't remember this one. These are the people I follow. MMFI and what is this? Panda. Unique and all the airdrop we are following, you are going to see it here. So if you are not following Ari Chain on Discord, what we are going to do is I'm going to drop my referral link for you to join the Ari Chain server in the comment section in the video description. What you are going to do is just to click on this plus sign here. Once you tap on the plus sign, you can now see have an invite already. You click on join a server. Tap on this join a server. So you are going to paste the Ari Chain referral link here. I'm going to drop it in the video description. Once you paste it, you come here and click on join with invite link. So it's going to say, oh, you're already a member of Ari Chain. So they will now say go to server because I'm already a member. If you're not a member, you are going to see accept invite or invitation, accept invitation. Then you click on that accept invitation and automatically you are going to join the server. You're going to join the server without stress. And if you click on it and it is delaying, so you have to go back here. You click on the join server, then you tap, just search for Ari Chain. Just search for Ari Chain. Then you click on join server. They will brought it here. Should in case the Ari referral Discord invite did not work, just do this and you are going to get it right. So make sure you follow them. And if you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.